Yo, I'm not crashing today. If I crash today, I'm gonna do at least 50 push-ups, because then I'll ruin the bike.
What do you think about it?
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
We got orange plastics. Everything's brand new. We're on Moto 40 and getting ready to ride. It's gonna be pretty fun. Dad's changing the filter and yeah, getting ready to ride.
Keep doing that. Keep going. You're awesome. Get out there, race your brother. Take him wide.
Look at his line right here. Look. I don't know if he's cheating. Just grabs a handful of throttle. Pastry able to extend his lead just slightly. Oh, Kyle with the foot paddle. Pace is cruising out through that. Bar twist over the jump.
Go cheer him on.
Start.
You got your confidence back. All right, let's keep it this time. Huh?
I'm gonna ride the inner track.
Oh yeah, now we're stepping it up, but jumping right to the inner track.
Back over though. Jeez.
Dunlop hooking you up. Then loop out.
Dunlop's like probably like one of the best tires. No, it is the best tire. You see, pretty much all the pros have Dunlop. Graphics look sick, plastics look sick, tires look sick, engine looks sick, everything looks sick.
Don't get it dirty.
You try not to.
So fast. Clean is faster, see? That's it. Yeah, so today we're at Moto 40. Just letting the kids kind of just ride, really. Nothing, no real plan. So yeah, Tate just got his suspension back from Powband, so kind of see how that looks and feels for him. But yeah, no real plan other than just letting him ride. Kind of want Pacer to get his confidence back. I mean, he used to do all the jumps out here. Pacer's not back to full send. And then just let Sis ride, you know, hopefully lap by lap she gets her confidence back, you know, and starts getting back into it. So try to have fun today. That's the biggest thing. Getting your jumps back. Work on jumping a little further, like on the tables and stuff, like that one big table in the middle. Like, I didn't expect you to jump that, but you need to jump like halfway or something, because like it's too slow. Like, you're going so slow off the face of it. Okay, can you work on that? None of those jumps are scary, like where you kind of jump a little further every lap.
I know. That's what I've been doing on the last jump.
Okay, good. Shift to fourth along here.
Yeah.
Two wheels off the ground. Sis? Nice.
Now back to me.
Back to you. Almost.
Almost. Just need to jump that table fully, not case it.
How's his bike, Tater?
Good.
Feels new?
Yeah. Did you see me like to pop the wheelie down that whole straightaway?
You got it dirty, bro.
Look, when you're on a track, you got, I mean, it's gonna get dirty.
I don't have to go pavement, so I don't have to clean bikes anymore.
Big a pavement track.
Go road racing, so I don't have to clean bikes.
The track's really fun.
It's good? All right. Let's go ride it then.
Yeah.
I just put the full thing on so that I want to see how much stroke you get.
Maybe move the shifter down?
Move the shifter down?
Yeah.
Like it feels too high.
I feel like I'm going like this, but
That's not going.
no. Harry Potter. Tully Potters. Magically make a trash can go.
I don't know that I'm fixing anything, but he keeps complaining about missing shifts, so I'll try lowering it and see if that makes a difference or not. Can only try. That's why they make this thing bolt on. These days it seems like it's less common, but in the old days, on two-stroke days, we would have half splines. So basically, like, you know, one spline move was too much, so we would have shift levers that were half the way. But the shifter would hit on the frame, so I kind of just put it where the lowest point where it wouldn't hit the frame. So, and I honestly think it's right back where it was. So.
It's a lot better, in my opinion.
It might have moved. I don't think it moved, but it's possible. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
That first time, I hit a rock, that's why.
Where?
Over there,
Oh, you hit a rock.
yeah, that's why I got head shake. Got my shifts better.
Should have moved that shift lever a long time ago.
Yeah. You wanna try to start?
You want to try start?
Tires got grip.
Tires got grip. Today was good. I mean, the goal was just to come and let them ride. We got a little rain yesterday, so I wasn't sure how the track would be, and a little bit of work, and it was good. So successful day. They had fun. Let out a little energy, and Sis got air today. 2 wheels off the ground. How do you feel about that, Sis?
Good.
Feeling good? Back to your normal self?
Almost.
Almost. Few little jumps you got to do.
Yeah.
You were pretty full send in the
Rollers?
in the rollers. Hey, you did a couple of jumps, but not all of them yet.
Just had fun today, like riding and just kind of, you know, just feeling it out. It felt good. It felt really fast, like really, really fast. Probably the new tires, Dunlop tires is traction. Yeah, I had so much traction. We had a good day today. It was really fun. Started jumping a lot of the jumps, most of the jumps actually. Still got to work on clearing them, cased them a little bit, but that was really fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
He can relax, he can roll.